If you're seeing the Epic Games Launcher bad image error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few proven fixes step by step. This issue usually happens when a program file is corrupted, a required redistributable is missing, or Windows itself has a damaged system component. The good news is that you can often fix it without needing advanced technical skills, and if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to open the Programs and Features menu so we can try repairing the launcher. On your keyboard, press Windows and R at the same time to open the Run box. In the box, type appwiz.cpl and press Enter. This will take you straight to the list of installed programs in Windows. Now find Epic Games Launcher in the list. Once you see it, right-click it and choose Repair if that option is available. This is often the fastest way to fix a bad image error because it checks the installed files and tries to restore anything that's broken. Let the repair process finish completely before you do anything else. If the repair option does not work, or if the error still appears after repairing, the next step is to uninstall Epic Games Launcher and install a fresh copy. To do that, right-click Epic Games Launcher again and select Uninstall. Once it's removed, go to the official Epic Games website and download the latest version of the launcher, then install it again from scratch. A clean reinstall can fix corrupted files that a normal repair might miss. After that, we need to make sure your system has the correct Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable files installed. Missing or damaged redistributables are a very common cause of bad image errors. Go to the Microsoft support page and download the latest Visual C++ redistributable packages for both x86 and x64. Even if your computer is 64-bit, installing both versions is important because different apps can rely on different components. Once those are installed, the next step is to check Windows system files. To do that, open the Start menu, type Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because the repair commands need elevated permissions. In the administrator command prompt, type SFC/scanO and press Enter. This command scans protected Windows files and automatically replaces damaged ones. It may take some time, so be patient and let it complete fully. When that finishes, stay in the same command prompt window and type dism.exe/online/cleanup-image/restore-health. Then press Enter. This command checks the Windows image itself and repairs deeper corruption that SFC may not be able to fix on its own. Again, let it complete before moving on. Now we're going to adjust the launcher shortcut settings. Sometimes running the app with elevated permissions helps prevent image-related startup errors. Right-click the Epic Games Launcher shortcut and select Properties. In the Properties window, click the Compatibility tab. Then check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK to save the change. At this point, the final step is to restart your computer. A full restart gives Windows a chance to reload everything cleanly, apply the repairs, and clear out any stuck background processes. After your PC restarts, try launching Epic Games Launcher again and see if the error is gone. If the bad image error was caused by a missing file, corrupted launcher installation, or damaged Windows component, these steps should usually fix it. And if you want more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Also, if this video solved the problem for you, please leave a like. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.